Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of filler on Snapchat app. To know how to fix or how to find a solution about filler on Snapchat, you should just go to settings, and first you can go to the window of apps and you can click on Snapchat. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache, don't click clear data because that can cause the errors or can delete your account. In the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us.